What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva here. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back with CMP, guys. If you have not checked out this program, the link is in the description. You can go to www.beabosslady.info, or you can also go to coffeeandcoins.info. Either way, go check it out. But today, what I want to do is show you I am actually utilizing the training, right? It's about when you purchase these programs. I know a lot of people just go out here and they just start promoting, right? But they haven't even taken the time to go through their training, right? And see what you actually have in your back office. You're actually purchasing digital training, right? I always utilize and execute and apply what I've learned. I purchased this program, right? So I want to just show you guys and I've been playing around with some stuff and some stuff I haven't showed you. But I want to show you that I actually went in here and was utilizing some of the training that we have access to. So what I have, I want to show you one tool that you absolutely must have, period. Doesn't matter what you're promoting out here. You absolutely must have this training right here, right? This one, this tool. I said training. This tool you want to have. I utilize it pretty much every day. It's a bonus you're going to get. It's going to be included with CMP, okay? Canva, all right? Now, what's interesting about this, I really got into Canva the last 2 years. 2 years prior to that, I really didn't know how to use it. Okay, to be honest with you, I tried it, but just couldn't get it right. So 2 years ago, I was in another program and I needed a graphic done, a couple graphics, and I actually paid a graphic designer, all right, to create some images and things that I was trying to accomplish. And then I started playing with Canva saying, wait a minute, for what I spent, okay, it's not even that per month. Now, Canva, there's a free version and then there's a premium version. And you can do a lot of things with the free version. But my point is I spent, double that monthly with a graphic designer to create one image. So it started my wheels to turn and saying, hey, you need to go in here and play around with this thing and just go with the basics. Even if you have to use some of the images they have. That was my thought process, until you get used to the system and how to create some of your own images. So 2 years ago, I started playing around with it. And I got acclimated with it, and I no longer use graphic designers. I do all of my own things, right? Or I get with a system or tool such as Canva. So anyway, I've been using it now for 2 years, and I'm pretty good at pretty decent at it, right? I wouldn't say I'm a guru, okay? But I don't have to pay for my designs, right? Now, what has happened is I am looking to learn more. So that's why I got started with Content Marketing Pros here, okay? Because there's a lot of good training in this program, all right? So with me being already familiar with it, you don't have to, okay? So you can be a brand new person to do this, but I'm just letting you know where I am, all right? If you're a newbie, perfect. This is great, okay? Because they're going to show you step by step what you need to do. But just showing you today that this is some good training in here, okay? So I was already familiar with Canva. So I have been playing around with it, with the training that's included. So anyway, you definitely want to get this, Okay, it is a absolute, in my opinion, must have to be a marketer out here. Okay, even though a lot of our programs come with pre-made ads, images, and things like that, that's great. Trust me, I use those too. But it's great to be able to create your own. All right. So anyway, we've got this, and I'm going to show you what I've done. But what I did is I went in here. I'm in my dashboard, as you can see here. It says dashboard. And creating eye-popping graphics. Discover how to create graphics with Canva. We've got 6 lessons in here. And then I also utilized AI. All right. And it's 44 lessons, guys. This is a lot of good training. Again, this is called Content Marketing Pros. So if you want to learn how to create better content, elevate, this is definitely a great training program to get started in. There's 4. We'll go over those in a second. You can get in where you fit in. As low as $100, you can get started today. So I went in here. There's 6 lessons in here, and there's 44 lessons in here. So I went in here and followed a few simple steps. I utilized these prompts. Well, I created my own. This shows you how to use prompts. They give you prompts in here. But I put together some prompts, and I created some images. And I've been showing you guys some of those images before. If you look at my community wall, you'll see some images I created. And I posted a couple of those that I created before I even got into this program. All right. The prompts, I'm telling you, the prompts is key. It really is. The prompts. I can't say it enough. So I had created an image, all right, already before I even got into this. And so I wanted to use that image to create, to see how I could do that and create a video by utilizing this training that they talk about here. So I've done that. So let me just show you this little video. I'm not going to keep you guys long. Let me just show you this little video with the image I created and AI to put together. So check this out. All right, this is the image I had already created. All right, so check it out. And then with AI and the prompts, here we go. With my voice. What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva here. Want to earn $400 instant commissions using faceless digital marketing? Go to www.beabosslady.info. All right. So the image, and then I use my own voice. Now with AI, you can use. They have templates already where you can use AI. You can use different languages as well. So anyway, just wanted you guys to see that. I put that together, but all this from what I learned from this training, Content Marketing Pros. So this is the create eye-popping graphics and get unlimited ideas using AI. So if we go back here, you're going to get the Canva training. That's a bonus that's already included. Doesn't matter which one of the 4 you get in. But you can look here and you get 400 plus chat GPT prompts, even with the designer, the $100 program. Okay. So that's great. Let's see, what else did we have here? We had the eye-popping graphics and the AI, right? So yeah, doesn't matter. Looks like either one of those programs will give you that. So with that, you should be able to come in here and you decide where you want to get started, guys. The admin fee is already included. $100, $250, $500, or $1,000. You decide. Now, you're going to earn instant commissions pretty much any way you want. Okay, they give you several options. That's what I do like about this program. It's not restricted to a specific payment processor, and people like to have options too, right? So I'm going to show you that in a second. Let's look at the, let's see, is it down here? No, I think I passed it. Let's look, here we go. Here, let's look at the different ones. I'm just going to scan them real quick, but you can go to beabosslady.info or coffeeandcoins.info to get more in depth with it. Okay, but the designer pack, guys, this is definitely it. See, remember I said eye-popping graphics over here, eye-popping graphics and unlimited ideas. All right, so anyway, the designer pack is only $100. You're going to earn $40 every time someone purchases the designer pack from your website. Okay, so it's 80% commissions. Now it's 80% commissions because it's 100% check match. With this particular program, you're going to get paid every time one of your referrals get paid, versus a 100% profit program. Okay, and yes, I have a couple of those, but this particular program is a win-win. Okay, so it's not a one and done situation. Typically when you sign up people, because this is not network marketing, it's not MLM. Okay, you're not going to have a one up, pass ups, up, line, down, all that stuff, right? It's direct sales, member to member. So an example would be for the 100% check match. That means every time someone you sign up get paid, you're going to get paid the 100% match. So when they make 40, you make 40. Okay, that's powerful, guys. That is leverage. Okay, that's passive income, because you're doing something one time. You're signing somebody up one time, and you're going to be able to earn over and over and over. Every time they get paid, you get paid. Okay, so it's only $100 for that particular package. Then we have the creator pack. The creator pack is $250. And remember, when you purchase this package, you get the lower package. So when you purchase the creator, you're going to automatically get the designer. So now you got two income streams, and they both, all of these programs come with the 100% matching bonus. All right, so $250 for this one. This is a one-time fee, no monthly fees. So every time you someone comes to your website and they purchase the creator pack, that's $100 you're going to earn instantly, instant commissions. And of course, again, it comes with 100% matching bonus. So every time one of your members sell this, they make 100, you make 100. Matching bonus, powerful. Third program is called the influencer pack. This one's $500. Every time someone comes to your website and purchases the $500 pack, you make $200. And every time one of your teammates sells the influencer pack, they make $200, you make $200. Passive income. Okay, 100% check match. All right, and the Pro Pack is the fourth program. If you get this one, you're all in. You get access to all levels. Remember, and anytime, any level you purchase, you get the lower levels are included. Okay. So the Pro Pack is all in. You get everything. I just went over all the packs. It's $1,000 every time someone purchased the Pro Pack. You make $400. All right. Every time one of your teammates sells the Pro Pack, they make $400. You make $400. That's 100% check match on all personal referral direct earnings. Okay. So it's a great way to level up your skills and earn instant commissions. Now let me show you this real quick. All right, I mentioned the payment options. Okay, that's another thing that I really like about this one, that people have options. Okay, here's all the payment options. You're in business, guys, here, so you're just like the retail stores, right? Pretty much when you go in a retail store, they tell you how they want to accept their payments. Hey, we take debit cards, we take cash, all those different things, right? So you have those options here online. You can accept Cash App payments. You can accept PayPal payments. You can accept Zelle payments. You can accept debit cards, credit cards, and you can accept cryptocurrency. You can set all these up, or you can just pick one. It's up to you. This is your business, but the options are here. All right. And remember, it's not about you, it's about the people. So if someone goes to your site, right, they get to see all the different options that you have available. So the more, the merrier. Okay. But you decide which payment options you want. So you have all these different options to receive payments. And remember, it's instant pay. There's no middleman. There's no company in the middle that's going to pay you what they want, when they want, once a month, twice a month, any of that. It's instant pay. Okay. So as soon as someone comes over here, they go here, they click the button to sign up. They decide which program they want: designer, creator, influencer, or pro. Okay, and they're going to fill out this information. They hit that button and boom, you're paid instantly. Okay, and you get instant access. As soon as you sign up, you're going to get access to everything. And remember, everything is already done for you. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to go outside of this system. It's all in this system right here. All right, in the dashboard, your capture page, your sales page, the whole funnel is right here. All right, so get in where you fit in, guys. Again, if you decide you want to get started, I'm going to put you in my rotator. Okay, let me get back over here. 90-day rotator. Okay, for everybody that gets started at the 250 and above, right? So let's look at that again here. All right, so we come down. Remember, we've got the 4 programs. So 250 and higher. All right, so right here is the 250. So the creator and above, you'll get added in my rotator for 90 days. That's 90 days of free marketing. All right, that means eyeballs on your opportunity. Of course, that's not a guarantee of sales, but it's a guarantee of traffic going to your capture page. All right, guys. So that's it. That's all. Just want to show you guys that the training you get here is great, but you must apply it. Okay, you must execute it. And I know a lot of people don't go in here and really, in any program, they don't really go in here and look at their actual training. They just get out here and start promoting. But you have the training that you want to actually indulge in. Okay, whatever you purchase, utilize it. Go in here in the library and check it all out. All right, so that's it. That's all. Go to the link in the description, beabosslady.info or coffeeandcoins.info. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.